it's the holiday season and you're dying to try a red lip, but you're a little bit intimidated by all the choices there are out there and which red is going to work for you, because not all reds are created equal. There's a lot to unpack here, so let's get started. First up, we have a corally pinky type red, which is what I'm wearing. Then you have more of a brown red, or like an orange red. Then we have what we call a true red. There's also red with blue undertones. There's a brick red, and here's a pink red. If you're a fair skinned girl, you're going to want to wear a coral pink type of red. If you have warm brown undertones, you're going to want to wear a dark red or like a berry red. If you have darker skin, you're going to want to wear some of the cooler toned reds. People with very dark skin are going to also wear the blue undertone reds. Something else that's a really interesting fact to know about red lipsticks: when you wear a red lipstick, it makes your teeth look a little bit whiter. And that's particularly for your blue undertone shades of red. Anytime you wear a red lip, you're going to want to use a liner, and that's for several reasons. In the event you choose a lipstick or a lip gloss or any type of a lip cream, it has a tendency to feather, as do all lipsticks. It's going to look particularly offensive if you are wearing a shade of red, because it's going to look like you drank Kool-Aid and you've got a Kool-Aid mustache. So using a liner in a coordinating shade or a matching shade is going to be imperative with whatever red you choose. Two of my favorite red liners that I always use. First one is this NYX, and this is called On a Mission. And the second one that I love to use, you can hear Kitty down there screaming at me, she's meowing for her breakfast. This is the Mary Kay in red. They also just came out with a waterproof red. First, starting out with the red, you're only going to want to slightly overdraw your lips for various reasons. You need to get the knack of it, and you don't want to get a crooked line when you're using a red lipstick. Kitty's back here screaming for breakfast. She's okay. She might make an appearance over here. If you're going to use a red liner to coordinate with your red lipstick and you're a beginner, do yourself a favor and do not grossly overline your lips, which is a very common look right now. A lot of people, myself included, because I have very thin older lips, I like to overline my lips if I'm using a nude or a pinky shade of a lip liner. However, when you're using a red, avoid the tendency to do that, because if you're a beginner, your line might not be where it needs to be, and it could look particularly offensive. You're not going to get a very good result until you practice this a lot and figure out how you want to coordinate your shades and how you're going to get that lip liner on. So you're always going to want to do when you're wearing a red, use your liner to slightly line your lips and always fill in the lips. The reason being is, if you have a lipstick, it has to have something to stick to. Otherwise, you're going to put it on your lips, and the first time you take a sip of water, it's going to rub off, or it can rub off on your clothes. And red is very pigmented, and you don't want to have red lipstick transfer onto yourself or your significant other if you give them a little smidge. So you're going to want to line your lips with the liner so that the lipstick has something to adhere to and stays on your lips and not on your clothes. A little bit off topic from our red, but when I told you that the blue toned red lipsticks will make your teeth look a little bit lighter, here's another product on the market that does essentially the same thing, and it's by Lottie London, and it's a lip gloss, and it's this icy blue. When you wear this, it has a tendency to make your teeth look whiter because of the blue shade, just like the blue undertones in a lipstick. Really love this lip gloss. It has a minty fresh smell to it, a little bit of a taste to it. It's cute, and it does help it makes your lips look nice and shiny in there. The color I'm wearing today is my favorite, the Maybelline Superstay Lip Vinyl. I love these. I have these in so many colors. These are the ones that you have to shake up, and they're really a long wear. And as you can see, this is more of a pinky type of red, and that's going to coordinate with the outfit that I'm wearing today. And this is in the shade 45 Capricious. All of the shades that I talk about today, I'm going to list down below in the event you'd like to go ahead and purchase them. Revlon Color Stay Matte Lip Crayon. This really wears and wears and wears. And you don't have to wear this as a specific red. I kind of wear this all year long because I kind of like to wear a red lip. Fat Oil in the shade Newsfeed. This is a phenomenal lip oil. I'm going to go ahead and put it on here just because I absolutely love it. Might change the color of the lipstick I have on right now, but I just don't even care. It's got this generous doe foot applicator. Well, it's like a short doe foot applicator, but this shine lasts and lasts and lasts in it. I don't know if that's watermelon I smell in there or what it is, but it's really shiny. It's great for the holiday season. This will get you straight through Christmas and into New Year's. Of course, NYX Butter Gloss. NYX has a butter gloss for just about every shade, and the NYX Butter Gloss lasts and lasts and lasts. And I don't know why I have so many NYX products in this video, but I guess I really love my NYX products. So they're go-to for me for my lips. This is a Mary Kay shade. This is called Red Stiletto. This is a true red. This is phenomenal for Valentine's Day, 4th of July, and of course, Christmas. And guess what? It's another NYX product. This is called the NYX Smooth Whip. This is a matte lip cream, and this is in the color Cherry. This is a beautiful red as well. EF94 Give 'em Lip. This is a high shine gloss. It's beautiful. Another thing you're going to want to know about wearing a red lip is if you're wearing a red lip, you're going to want to go lighter in your eye look. Here's why. You don't want your eye look competing with your lip look. It's too much. If you do a heavy lip, you're going to want to go lighter with the eyes. Maybe just a wing eyeliner, pop on some lashes, and leave up here just a really light shade, maybe just a swipe of a nude shade across your lid just for a little bit of color up there, but you don't really want to go too heavy. The same applies if you do a really heavy glam eye look, you're going to want to go nude with the lips. It's just too much. Even during the holiday season when we like to be a little bit extra, you're really going to want to watch that and make sure these two aren't competing. If you have any questions about wearing a red lip or things, let me know down below in the comments, what is your favorite go-to red lipstick? I love a good red lip. Red lips show confidence. Again, this holiday season, it's fun to wear a red lip. All the products that I talked about, oh, I got hair in my mouth. All the products that I showed you today will be linked down below in the comments section if you'd like to go ahead and purchase these products for yourself. And I'm wishing you the happiest holiday season.